Welcome to the Hypertherm Cutting Institute training video, Gas Specifications for PowerMax Systems. In this short video, we'll discuss the input gas requirements for PowerMax plasma systems. There are several different systems offered, however this tutorial applies to all systems available today. The gas supply for your PowerMax system can be shop compressed or cylinder compressed air. A high-pressure regulator must be used on either type of supply and must be capable of delivering gas to the air inlet on the power supply at the correct flow rate. The gas supply should be free of oil, moisture, or contaminants which can affect the performance of the PowerMax system. A filter system should be installed between the gas supply and the power supply. If the gas supply quality is poor, cut speeds decrease. Cut quality deteriorates, cutting thickness capability decreases, and the life of the consumables shortens. For minimum inlet pressure requirements for your system, refer to your operator manual in the Power Supply Setup section to ensure you provide correct pressure to the system for proper operation. Connect the gas supply to the power supply using an inert gas hose with a 9.5 mm or 3/8 inch internal diameter and a 1/4 NPT quick disconnect coupler. Do not allow the gas supply pressure to exceed 135 psi, 9.3 bar. The filter bowl may explode if this pressure is exceeded. When checking inlet pressure, it's best to check the pressure while the system is flowing gas. You can perform a gas test to check for proper input gas pressure depending on what system you have. Please refer to your operator manual for how to put the system into gas test mode if applicable. This concludes our video, Gas Specifications for PowerMax Systems.